My name is Dan Pipp, and I'm a sales manager here with Innovative Growers Equipment. You may recognize that last name. It's called Pipp Mobile Storage System out of Michigan, which we owned, my daughter and I did, as a family-owned business. And I was really drawn back to this company, Innovative Growers Equipment, because of their simplicity and durability of their products. Let's take a look at the Innovative Grower Racks and how they stack up against the competition. It seems very easy to look at both these products and say, oh, we have white shelving here, everything looks about the same. Nothing can be further from the truth. If you go over here to a Carriage, a competitor with 1/8" aluminum, I can literally bend the angle here. When I come to Innovative's Carriage, at 1/4" thick aluminum, it doesn't move. Much stronger Carriage. One thing that's critical in this whole system is this is bulk rack. This is pallet rack. With bulk rack, you can only go up to 8-foot lengths. You can go up to 23-foot high, but you can only go 8-foot lengths, whereas with pallet racking, you go 8, 10, or 12-foot lengths. Much easier to design a system and use less tracks with pallet rack. Let's not forget one other thing. Indoor grow houses are going to have lights hanging down here from the grid. They're going to have irrigation systems, plants, and a lot more weight in these systems. If you have a system with this, like a bulk rack, whereas the rack itself, I can actually shake this rack right here. See that, how that shakes? Whereas I go to a pallet rack and I can't, that doesn't move. It doesn't move at all. So all those items that you have in that system, the lighting, the irrigation, the plants, and when you start swaying these things up to 60 foot in length, those lights could sway and cause them to be damaged, could even fall off the grid. Who knows? So this system is much more solid, much more sturdy for the agriculture environment versus the bulk rack. More storage, less tracks, easier installation, better product storage all the way around. Pallet racking is the way to go. One of the things we have to consider is the actual details of the product. A lot of people don't look at. First of all, a 4.5" stainless steel wheel. A lot of our competitors may use a zinc-plated wheel, which eventually may rust over time. Everything we use with the ag systems are stainless steel and won't rust. Everything we make is made out of a 1/4" thick aluminum. This is a boxed channel, which is so heavy I can't lift it up. And we have CNC'd not only the wheels, but we've CNC'd an open spot for our wheels to be housed. Whereas the competition, and this is important, has a U channel. So the whole entire bottom of that channel is empty. So it's also a much lighter weight channel. Obviously you get a better rolling system and much more durable. And it also, when it comes down to the linear footage of weight that our system can hold, we can go up to 1,500 pounds. Our competitors, only up to 1,000 pounds. Let's talk about our competition's mechanical assist box. One major disadvantage they have is they have a center drive mechanical assist box. That means they start from the center of the carriage and go outside to the drive. The other problem they have is they have a 3-spoke chain system inside this box and then another 2-spoke chain inside the carriage. The other issue is that this box, if not attached properly to the shelving, would wobble. What they do is they take this and attach to the shelving, could be bent in or out, and that's an issue that we do not have at Innovative. The major problem is the maintenance. The chain in the inside of the carriage can collect rust or humidity from the water in an agricultural environment. We want to make sure that that is not an issue with our system. That's why our box goes directly to the drive. That's not an issue at all for our product. Let's talk about the Innovative mechanical assist box. Number one, it's very solid. It's made of 1/4" aluminum along with the handle. When I came to work for Innovative, I asked the engineer why they didn't attach this box to the shelving. He said, well, you don't need to. And I said, well, you're kidding me. Basically, because it's an aluminum housing of a 1/4" thick, they take a 3/8" bolt and go directly into another 1/4" thick aluminum at the base of the carriage, and it stands up like a fire hydrant. Can't be moved. One of the things I talked about with the old competitor systems is they had a 3-sprocket system in the box, and they came from the center of the carriage, not directly to the direct drive. They come from the center, and they have sprockets going over to the drive. We have a 2-sprocket system that goes directly to the drive. Less maintenance, no open chains, much more likely to survive any rusting from water, obviously because there's no place for water to get in. Also, with the 4.5-inch wheel, carriage moves much smoother and easier for long lengths of carriages. Talking about the durability of our carriages versus competition, you can simply just look at the bolts that put our carriages together. Here is the competition. Here is innovative. We use a 3/4 nut and bolt system versus a simple screw system for the competitor. You would think with all these product advantages, the innovative pricing would be triple the competition. This is in no way the case. Because we buy major quantities and manufacture our products in-house, the innovative price is quite often the best price. Although we do buy some minor items from overseas, 99% of our products are bought in the USA and produced right here in Sycamore, Illinois. The Innovative team looks forward to working with you on your next project.